Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Chrysler 200 Limited Platinum, stock number B9201X. Only 4,000 miles on this 200. Clean auto check history report. This car was one of our courtesy vehicles, vivid blue in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. The 200 is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. It's in the mid-size car class, seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This limited Platinum has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Power moonroof. Large, easy to read ice blue gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Paddle shifters for the 9-speed automatic transmission is put into sport mode. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Perfect for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control. And Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. 9-speed automatic transmission with rotary dial shifter. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's materials. And moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this 200 has a 3.6 liter V6, 295 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Nice balance of power and fuel economy. Along with those 295 horses, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 31 on the highway, and approximately 70% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9201X to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.